touch the camera.
There's so many.
Tell the story so everyone can hear it.
Ellen, I don't. So, when I was watering the plants, I was going to water the cactus, but I includely saw that there's praying mantises living. And I called Mom, and she came over and took a video, so.
Where did we get the praying mantises from?
You tell.
Our friend Charlie gave us a few praying mantises to bring home.
So,
And we did.
And we have a million.
And we didn't know where they went after a while, but it seems like they might have mated and laid some eggs.
And made more babies.
Because there's a million babies.
Oh, they're so cute.
How cool. Well, we're going to have to probably catch them.
Why?
And take them outside so they can find some food.
What do
Because
they
there's
eat?
not a whole lot of food in here. They eat those white flies, they eat aphids and little tiny bugs.
What are those white eggs on the window?
Where? I don't see any white eggs.
See those ones there? There's 4 of them.
No.
See, they're like the shape of the square.
Oh, yeah, that's probably just mud from the turkeys outside.
What's aphids?
Aphids are really tiny and they're underneath the leaves. And they're like white flies.
Do they eat? Cool. How can we catch them?
Well, we'll probably just move the plant outside so they can move themselves without us harming them.
But they're all over the window.
Well, yeah, eventually they'll move to plants and look for food, and we'll move the plants back and forth, I think. Because I know that there's a bunch of strange-looking bugs outside on our tomato plants right now. I bet they like to eat those.
Do they like to eat worms?
No, worms are too big for them. They only eat small things.
Like, do they eat flies?
Until they get bigger, and then they can eat bigger things.
Do they eat flies?
I'm sure they could if they were full grown.
How big do they have to be?
I've seen a praying mantis that was longer than 1 inch.
Ooh.
It was on our blackberry plant a few years ago. Don't touch the camera, please.
Cool.